I'm happiest when you're around, and I miss you even when we're apart, only for moments. I love that you're up for anything as long as we get to do it together. I love that I can always count on you for fun, support, comfort, or anything I need. Nothing is ever too much to ask, and I'm constantly surprised by the extent of love and kindness you show to me and others in your life. I'm excited to continue creating an amazing life together. I feel like there's nothing we can't handle and everything is okay as long as we have each other.
Wayne, my whole world changed when I met you. You're my best friend, my soulmate, and the love of my life. There are an infinite number of things that I adore about you, but what I cherish the most is your unwavering support and unconditional love. I stand beside you today, stronger and more in love with you than ever before. We truly have a wonderful partnership. We support, love, and care for each other, and always put each other's needs before our own, and that is all I could ask for in a husband and in a marriage. I cannot wait to continue this love journey with you for the rest of my life. I love you.
Laura, I promise to love, appreciate, encourage and invest in you as you have in me. I promise to always be there with you and for you in the fun times, hard times and all in between. And I promise to appreciate it all for how valuable it is, with my attention, my affection and things to make you smile. I promise to do everything I can to make you feel happy and loved every day for the rest of my life.
You may kiss the bride.
Wayne could not have found a better bride to spend the rest of your life with. When I first met Laura, I know straight away that this is the right person for my son. Thank you for making my son so happy. I'm more grateful to you than words can possibly say. Because Laura, you just brings out the very best qualities in him. I know that my son is in good hands and that he has found the perfect woman to be his wife. I know that they will be great together and they will continue to make each other happy. We welcome Laura with open arms. Now my daughter finally! Cheers for that!
Wayne, I truly can't think of a more perfect man for my daughter, and I want to thank you for loving her with your whole soul, helping her make her dreams come true. And I cannot think of anything more fitting for the two of you. You are no longer an I, you are a we, W-E. Can everyone please join me in raising your glasses to Laura and Wayne and wishing them a lifetime of courage, strength, joy, laughter, and above all, love. Laura and Wayne.